This is an unboxing of my newest Seiko. I don't know if I made this clear in the channel, but I'm a tremendous fan of Seikos. I think they make some of the best values in watchmaking. I mean, they're just a powerhouse in the industry. So let's go ahead and open this guy. You got the traditional blue Seiko box. You know, not ostentatious. It's not fancy or anything. It gets the job done. Okay, let's get this open. Oh my God. So this is the, make sure I get this right. This is the SNK393. So SNK393 has an MSRP of $250. I think these watches are a steal. I'm actually wearing my SNK L15, which I have in a nice brown strap right now. I believe this one's actually a tiny bit smaller, and so this is a similar case you got going on, but it's a little smaller. It's more in line with the I would compare this to the Explorer, but boy, this is a stunning watch. So obviously it has the black face, slightly different hands, more rounded than my, these have like more pointy hands. These are more rounded. You got the 12 and 6 Arabic numerals here. But the rest of the markers are very similar to my SNK L15. I think these watches are probably some of the best values in all of watchmaking. Well, anyway, this is just kind of like a first look. I'm thinking I'm probably going to put this on a strap. I might size it, wear it a while on the bracelet, just get a feel for it for the full review. But, you know, I've already worn one of these on a strap. I've already worn one of these pretty long term. Like I wore this one, had a very similar Jubilee bracelet. This one actually looks a little different. This one might actually look a little better. Let me get you a nice view of that stunning dial here. I think I paid about $100 for this thing. And what a stunner. Can't wait to get this thing sized up and on my wrist. Anyway, if you have any questions about the watch, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you have any, it really helps the channel a lot if you can like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.